In this lesson, we are going to continue working with vowels. So you should have listened to the vowel song, and now we are going to be learning a vowel chant. So if you look on your worksheet, or if you look on my screen, you see the vowel chant. There's also some pictures of some hands that are going like this, and what that means is that when you see those hands, you clap. So let's say the chant together. A, E, I, O, U. I can name the vowels for you. A, E, I, O, U. You can name them too. Nice job. After you've practiced the vowel chant, on the next page, we are going to be working with E. So if you remember, one of the important things about vowels is that they have two sounds. They have a long sound and a short sound. So what are the two sounds that E makes? The long sound is E, and the short sound is eh. Very good. So on our activity, we have one column that is for a long E, like the word bee. And then in the next column, we are going to be working with a short E, like the word egg. You have some pictures, and if you have a pair of scissors and glue at home or tape, you can cut out the pictures and you can sort them into the long E column or the short E column. But if you don't have a pair of scissors or glue at home, that's okay, because we provided a word bank and you can practice writing the words in these columns. So you can go through the pictures or the words, say them, and if you hear a long E, then they go under this column. If they have a short E, they will go under this column. Let's do a couple together. Egg. Well, that one's kind of easy because we have a picture of an egg on the short E column. So that word would go under short E. Let's look at another one. Three. E. That's a long E. So that's going to go under the long E. Then on the last page of this lesson, we have another listening activity. In this listening activity, we are working with the vowel sounds for E and I. We are going to be listening for the long vowel sounds, which means E or I are the sounds that we're listening for. Now, when you hear the E sound, I want you to point with your finger. I want you to point at the E. If you hear the I sound, I want you to take your finger and I want you to point at the I. So let's do an example together. Knee, E. So I would take my finger and I would point at the E. Sight, sight, I. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to point at the I. So now it's your turn to listen. So use those listening ears. And remember, we're listening for the E or the I sound. Knee, sight, we, she, wide, mice, free, wise, team, my, ride, green.